What's up, everyone? Elijah with Financial Anatomy here. In this video where we'll help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about the Venmo app today and how you can contact Venmo support if you need to. Start off by opening the Venmo app up, then click the Me icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, click the gear icon in the top right hand corner and scroll down where it says Get Help. From here you have two options. You can click Chat with Us, which will connect you with a Venmo AI assistant. That will be good if you're looking to do more mundane things, but if you need to contact a human, click on More Ways to Get Help. Once here, scroll down and see where it says General Support. Click on it and it will show the phone number that you can use to call Venmo to get your issue resolved. Keep in mind this number is subject to change, so I recommend you follow the steps in this video to see the most up-to-date number. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the thumbs up if you found value in this video. I'll catch you in the next one, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.